In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam login error code E87. First step, right-click on Start button and then select Task Manager. In here, find Steam 32-bit. There you go. So just click that one and then right-click and select End Task. And your Steam client will be closed properly. Let's close this one and let's move on to the second step. In your search bar, type in Run and then click to open. So in here, type in services.msc and then hit enter or click the OK button to open this one. So in here, find the Steam client service. Just scroll down and then right click on it and then go to properties. And then click the start button and then click OK. So once you're done in here, just go ahead and close the tab. And then we will now open the Steam application in your desktop. Once open, in your top left corner, you will see the Steam and then go to your settings and then go to your downloads. And then find the clear cache. Just go ahead and click to confirm. And then it will now start clearing the cache of your Steam client. And it will automatically restart. So once the Steam client restart, you just have to close it. Moving on to the third step, in your desktop, right-click on Steam application and select Open File Location. So we need to check which drive-in it is installed. So normally it's always C drive. So you will see here at the top, local DC. Just click the file location, the local DC. Right-click this one and go to Show More Options. And then go to your properties. So you will see here your tool section. Just go ahead and click this one. And click the check button right here. Then here is the option for scan drive. So click to start scanning. It will just take a minute or less. And then once it is finished, just go ahead and close all these tabs. Okay, so moving on to our next step, we need to right-click the Start button and go to your settings. In your three horizontal lines at the top, just go ahead and click that one to expand and then select Time and Language. So from here, select Date and Time. So you have to find here the button Sync Now and then click that one. So this will match the time in your Steam and into your desktop. Once we're done here, just go ahead and close this tab. And then let's move on to our next step again. Just go ahead and right-click Steam Client, go to Properties, and then click compatibility. Make sure this box are unchecked, this one. So if this one is checked, just go ahead and click the box again to uncheck this one. And then click apply and click OK. And then again, let's go to our Steam client, right click and go to your properties. Tap the compatibility at the top. And then check the box for run as administrator. Click the apply button. And then once you're done applying, just click on OK. And then your problem is solved. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.